first of its kind, world's most advanced MRI facility at the National Brain Research Centre, Manesar, Haryana, India's premier institute dedicated to neuroscience research and education. Dr. Jitendra Singh, the Union Minister of State, Independent Charge, Science and Technology, Minister of State, Independent Charge, Earth Sciences, MOS PMO, Personnel, Public Grievances, Pensions, Atomic Energy, and Space, Dr. Jitendra Singh today inaugurated a 3D MRI platform with remarkable performance, the minister added, will help India explore new horizons in human neuroscience. Many international projects are using the Siemens MRI scanner Prisma to scan the brain, including the Brain Initiative of the United States and Europe's Human Brain Project. Intense scanning modalities can be completed in a fraction of the time required by older machines, according to Dr. Jitendra Singh, the facility's director. Patients with common brain and mental health diseases such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, bipolar disorder and anxiety are using this to produce human cohort data. Scientifically, this device is unique because it can detect and quantify highly sensitive receptors, antioxidants in the brain, which are directly linked to the onset of many brain illnesses, such as Parkinsonism and aneurysm. Detection of brain sodium levels, which is directly relevant to non-invasive evaluation of brain cancers, is provided by the equipment. Pollution or other causes can also cause heavy metals in the brain to accumulate, which can lead to numerous mental and neurological problems. This flagship initiative of NBRC will be a unique platform for tech institutes like IITs and IIITs to apply artificial intelligence machine learning technologies to find normative, diagnostic and predictive patterns, stated the minister. Afterwards, Dr. Jitendra Singh convened a high-level conference with the director of the National Brain Research Centre, NBRC, and other senior authorities, and requested that they conduct an Alzheimer's special intervention study that might be on par with the best in the world. It is critical to have a single subject research center that fosters translational research with the goal of discovering rational medicines and cures for brain illnesses, according to the Minister of Health. Despite the difficulties brought on by the epidemic, Dr. Jitendra Singh commended the scientists on their discoveries over the last year, noting that the research has been favorably recognized by other experts all around the world. He asserted that the NBRC has become a world-renowned neuroscience research institution as a result of its long history of dedication and progress in the field. He went on to say that the center's MSc and PhD programs prepare its employees with the knowledge and skills necessary to effectively overcome problems and perform neuroscience multidisciplinary research. The National Brain Research Centre, NBRC, is a multidisciplinary research facility that focuses on understanding how the brain functions in health and disease. Cellular and molecular systems, cognitive, computational, and translational are the 5 divisions of research at NBRC. Despite this, faculty members from different divisions and institutions work together to solve their research problems. An autonomous institute financed by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, the NBRC is located in the foothills of the Aravalli range in Manesar, Haryana, and is also a deemed to be university. The Indian government has designated NBRC as a center of excellence. Since its inception in 1999, the National Brain Research Centre, NBRC, has been an independent 501(c)(3) non-profit organization registered under the Society Registration Act of 1860. One of the world's leading centers for neuroscience has been granted university status. In order to better understand how the brain functions in health and disease, NBRC focuses on conducting basic research. The National Brain Research Centre, NBRC, in addition to its intramural research activities, also encourages the networking of existing neuroscience research groups in the country. Molecular to behavioral and computational neuroscience are all areas of focus at NBRC. Translational research is also supported by the institute, which aims to find rational treatments and cures for brain illnesses.